This is how I made a video game using GPT-01, OpenAI's latest model. So yesterday, actually, a new ChatGPT model came out called OpenAI 01, and it's quite insane to think about because it's a reasoning model. It has a good chain of thought. And yesterday I was playing with it and I accidentally made a video game out of it, like multiple video games. So, as they said, we trained these models to spend more time thinking through problems before they respond, like a person would. And since I have the GPT Plus, I have access to it, and they made a GPT o1 preview and o1 mini. This is a faster at reasoning and cheaper, much cheaper than this one. I think it's 80% cheaper than this one. Good for developers to test out with it their solutions. And this one is for advanced reasoning, and it's much more expensive than this one. I was excited to test it out, and my first thought was, okay, let's try and make a game using Google Apps Script. Google Apps Script, for people who do not know, it's coding language specific to Google Workspace. It lets you like handle Google Docs, Google Sheets. Basically, it's a whole standalone programming language, and it lets you have APIs and also build out web apps. So I thought, okay, let's try and make a game. So yeah, right now it's telling us that it's thinking, charting the course, and once you click here, it gives you the whole thought process. Now this is the step by step on how to set up everything. So yeah, we created the project. I already have a project set up here, so it told us to create a code.js file. So let's copy this code and input it here. And yeah, we will deploy it and play the game. So I already deployed it yesterday when I was testing, so it actually like, okay, oh, game over. So it's weird, sometimes it gives, okay, fuck. Why doesn't it work? Okay, the problem is I can't move the I can't move my character. So, but let's try with yesterday's version. So the real version here. Okay, now it should work. Let's reload this and move with the arrows. Okay. Why it's not? Why it? Okay. Now it's working. Okay. So I actually made the snake game in Google Apps Script. And it's actually working really good. The second game that I made, and it's actually Doom. Doom inside of Google Apps Script using ASCII. Same thing here, it reflected for 8 seconds before giving an answer, the whole details, and yeah, it gave us all the step-by-step implementation and the whole process on how it made it. So right now let's test it out again. Okay, let's test it out, and we should have an ASCII, like it really do. Oh, this is a monster, I think. Wait, I should click here. Okay, now it's moving. So it's like in 3D, but yeah, as you can see, it's a maze game. Like it's a maze, and I'm going inside of the maze. It's quite insane to think that the future of coding and programming is. Oh, I have a monster here. Yeah, it's a fully fledged working maze game inside of Google Apps Script. And the last one is Flappy Bird. And it's the same concept. It's like copying this, and let's rerun this. And it's actually Flappy Bird. I made it harder than the actual game. Okay, I mean, I couldn't get any point, but yeah. So yeah, this was a quick test for GPT-01, the latest model, and it's insane to think that right now it's it may be called GPT-5, and it's insane to have this type of performance from an AI model, and I'm very excited to see where it's going and to see where the actual like performance of AI is going towards. And yeah, we will be making some interesting AI automations and use cases using this model. This is one of many use cases that I played with and I discovered. So yeah, I also have a free school community where you can find some cool courses, some cool people inside, and some quite exclusive AI automations where you will be learning how to use AI, how to implement it inside of your workflows, scale your business, and make money with it. So it's free to join. I'll leave all the links in the description. Deuces.